Hello, Piotr. Hope you're good. I have just shared a web page with you, this one, Innovate UK funded projects. It includes an Excel sheet about the funded projects until the 1st of October, so it's quite recent. This is the Excel sheet. I'm not going to explain, but it includes very good information. It includes the sectoral information, also the value of the grant, also many more information, like for example from program title or competition title, you can search by for COVID framework, etc. Also, this web page includes a greater database, which includes the publicly funded projects by Innovate UK and other research councils. The Excel sheet is only the Innovate UK funded projects, but this database has a greater scope. This is the database. When you click here, the all data, you can reach here all these information. It also provides you the budgets. Okay, as I said, this is greater than the Excel sheet because here it has Innovate UK, but this is more than Innovate UK. So I think this Innovate UK part overlaps with this Excel, but they are structured a little bit differently. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, now these are all the Innovate UK projects. Let me sort them by funded value. Okay, this is our biggest projects with the highest value. Of course, we can do this same sorting here. Let's go ahead, sort by grant offered. Okay. Yeah. Here, you see the high value manufacturing capital. This one is in the second place here. It's because it provides the participants or the beneficiaries grants. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, sorry. Okay. Alright. Under this project title, these participants are offered these amounts of grants. Also, you can reach this information here by selecting the organization here. You see which participant received what. So I'm not quite sure which one is the best way to report based on the participant or the project. I'm not quite sure. I have reported, I think maybe 2 or 3, I guess, from this database. Then I thought it's more suitable, after discussing with Jose, more suitable for data dump. This is one example here. You can check how I reported. Yeah, this is all for me. Hope you find it useful, and I hope we can cover this within our data dump. If you need any help or support or anything from me about this, I can do it. So take care. Bye.